agad. Medyo natatagal akong magdala ha.
Sige na po ate, kahit nag-uugas na, masipag naman ho ako. Sensya talaga na, wala rin kami mapapasabi sa'yo.
Wala na naman. Ma, kung mag-abroad siguro ako.
Sayang, make me coffee. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I forgot to buy coffee.
What? You? You are useless. Is this how I pay you half now? That you don't do things around here now? Huh? I still own half of you.
Ma'am, no! I quit!
You are not going anywhere.
Anak, ilan pa ba magkakasweldo? Tsaka, baka masabihan mo amo mo na itaas ang konti yung sweldo mo. Kasi anak,
Ma'am, nagsusugal pa rin kayo?